Hello, this is a Nadair spinner 107 centimeter from about the late 80s. Um, it's kind of hard to date this fan from the stickers, but I think it would be from 1989 because there is an 89 on the sticker. There's also a 91, but 91 sounds too new for that style of fan. You're seeing correctly, this is really a 5-blade top mount spinner. It's extremely rare. It's an extremely rare type of fan. We see a lot of 5-blade bottom mount spinner, but this one is really top mount. I think it's only the second 5, or maybe the third 5-blade top mount spinner that I ever see in my life. But in person, it's definitely the first one. I've seen certain in China, they have certain models with metal blades, but still they're extremely rare. But with wood blades, it's only the second one that I ever see. Here's a top view. It's got the Nadair sticker right here. You probably recognize the motor, and basically you probably recognize this style of fan. It's not the first one like it I have. I have the polished brass 120 centimeter 4-blade version of that. The other Nadair spinner that I have. It's the same thing, except this one is white, a little bit smaller, and it's got 5 blades. But it's the same motor, it's the same brackets, same switch housing, same canopy and down rod. It even also have cane blades. So it uses the same motor as a 4 Seasons Montego or a 4 Seasons Seville, which I both have. It's made in Taiwan, of course. Don't confuse this motor with the TAT Hong Kong made motor that looks a little bit similar. It's made very differently when you look correctly. You know, it's really got a gold line like a regular spinner, and not a little opening. It's totally closed on the side here. It's got the little step and the rounded part. The brackets are also the same as the one seen on a lot of 4 Seasons spinners. The 2 yellow tassels, it's something that I added. It originally came with this type of decorative pull chain, a walnut teardrop, but unfortunately it was missing the other one. It came with only one, and I wanted to have 2 matching pull chains, so I put those 2 extra yellow tassels that I had. It's pretty powerful. It does about like maybe 220 RPMs on high. So here it is on high speed. It doesn't move as much air as the 4-blade equivalent, but it's still a pretty good amount of air. As you can see, the tassels are dancing a little. It's got a very slight wobble on that speed, but not much more than that. I thought it would have been a little bit more wobbly, because look at the blades. You can see that the blades are quite wonky. It's not the brackets that are bent, it's really the wood of the blade that is not perfect on each blade. It's pretty odd for a top mount spinner, like an 80s top mount spinner, to have that kind of air noise to it, which is pretty quiet. We're used to spinners that have a louder air noise, but because of the 5 blades, it's a lot quieter in terms of air noise. So here it is on medium speed. It's got a little on all of the speeds, but the bearings are very silent. The hum is the most heard on that speed there, on medium speed. So that's probably about like 130 RPMs, or slightly more maybe. And here's the low speed. It's going to slow down quite a lot for a spinner. It's going to do about 60 RPMs. So as you can see, it's really built like a regular mid to late 80s top mount spinner, but it's got 5 blades instead of 4. I hope you like the video. Comment please, and thank you for watching.